Real-world data insight. Real-world data insight refers to the valuable knowledge and understanding derived from the analysis of data collected from actual, everyday occurrences and activities. Unlike controlled experiments or simulations, real-world data offers insights into genuine behaviors, trends, and patterns that occur naturally in various contexts. This type of insight is particularly valuable because it reflects the complexities and nuances of the real world, providing a more accurate representation of how systems, processes, and individuals interact. In the realm of business and decision-making, real-world data insight plays a crucial role. Companies can leverage data from actual customer interactions, market dynamics, and operational processes to make informed decisions. For example, analyzing customer purchasing behaviors from real-world data can guide businesses in tailoring their products or services to meet actual consumer preferences, improving overall customer satisfaction and loyalty. In healthcare, real-world data insight allows practitioners and researchers to understand the effectiveness and impact of treatments in diverse patient populations outside the controlled environment of clinical trials. This approach provides a more comprehensive understanding of how interventions perform in real-world scenarios, contributing to more personalized and effective healthcare strategies. Moreover, real-world data insight is instrumental in addressing challenges and solving problems across various domains. It helps policymakers understand the actual impact of interventions. Educators refine teaching methods based on real student performance, and urban planners optimize city infrastructure based on real mobility patterns. Ultimately, real-world data insight empowers decision-makers with a deeper understanding of the authentic dynamics shaping our world. By extracting meaningful patterns and trends from real-world data, individuals and organizations can make more informed choices, drive innovation, and create solutions that resonate with the complexities of our everyday experiences.